Damn, it really is 25% off the entire store? What the hell is going on here? That is crazy. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. A little birdie did tell me that hey, Shoe Palace has a clearance store open. Let's go see what the hell's going on. So apparently this Shoe Palace location is closing. This is Echo Park. I'll have the address in the description. But yeah, they're closing. So, you know, they got 25% off the entire store. We got Bossco Mitchell here. Make sure you guys go check out the Bossco Mitchell channel, doing some giveaways. But yeah, you guys should be watching his channel because he has great content anyways. Yeah, let's look around here, see what's up. So only open for 2 weeks. They're gonna close, shoot, I don't know the date. I'll write the date, but yeah, they're only open for a couple weeks, man. So they already have sales and then you get another 25% off on top. That is insane. Kind of similar to the deals that Chic has had. Chic's had some crazy steals, but yeah, look, so like I thought everything would be on sale, but 25% off, not too shabby, especially if you find some dope items already on sale. Like this right here, this is kind of faded, but yeah, 50 bucks and then you get another 20% off on top of that. They got Dornbeckers. These are freaking Dornbeckers, bro. These are the Dornbecker Janowskis from a while back. This is from a while back. When I say, I don't remember what year. It's 2021, it's 2020. I don't know, but this is from a while back. $50 and then you get another 20% off to 40 bucks. Also got these right here, Hirachis. You get another 20% off on top. One of the better Prestos, in my opinion, University Blue, $70 and then you get another $14 off. So, what is that? About 56 bucks? Not bad. And then even Jordans on sale? What? To be able to get these for 20% off? Are you serious? These just released. This is a size 11. For those of you guys that are new to Jordans or don't have all the Jordans, the 12s run a little big. So I go a half size down on these. But yeah, this is insane. Size 11 to be able to get these for 25% off. That makes that $50 off. That is insane. These are $160. These were on sale at some spots, weren't they? Weren't these on sale? Maybe it was. I don't know. But yeah, $25 off of Dub Zeros. Get these for 75 bucks. More for 75. The Comforts, 75 for these as well. Like this stuff ain't bad, yo. I'm saying they're not bad. Ultra Boosts. These are $110. We've seen these on sale at plenty of the Shoe Palaces, but to get an extra 25% off on top, that is fire. Then even these, look at this. Ultra Boost 2022s to be able to get another 25% off. Of course, we have seen some of these at Ross, Marshalls, that type of stuff, but you don't have to go to 8 different places. You can just come here, get your size 11, get 25% off. That's not bad. And these are down to $70. Man, the T-Max, 70 bucks. You get another 25 off on that. That is insane. Checking out some skate eyes. Look at the material. Oh, I don't know. I could feel the material. This is amazing. The material is just so fire on these. I'm not really that into Vans like that, but $30 for these, that is fire. The material is just A1, better than a lot of Jordans. I'm not gonna lie, 40 bucks for those. Colorway not bad. Got this one right here. This is suede and some, what is that? Is that canvas on the side? I don't know. But yeah, another one go for 40. Skate lows. Dang, I could have bought this for the homie, especially for $30. Holy crap, that is fire. Then old schools right here. This is a size 13, so a lot of the good size is probably taken. Got another one right here. $30 for these. That is hella cheap. And then we got more Vans on sale right there. Look, $30 and then you get another 25 off. So these are under freaking 20 bucks. Holy crap. Or it might be around 20 bucks. My bad. 22 maybe. But yeah, if you like green right there, they got that. This black one going for $30. Man, and this is the one I needed too. Man, I think this is the one I bought. Is this the one that I bought? No, this not. But look at this. $29.98, and then you get another freaking 25% off. Holy cow. Holy cow, man. Where's the other side button? Is it on the display up there? Yeah, that's the display model right there. Dude, they got insane deals. Man, look right here. This is one of the displays. This shows $40. You get that extra 25 off. Damn, I was just telling Bossco, I'm done buying for all these dang kids. I'm done, but the price, This is literally like $22 or something. Yo, I might have to get this for the homie, dude. I already gave him, what, $300 pair of shoes? Like $300 worth. I gave him $300 worth at the price that I got them for. It was about $500 worth of shoes. I bought him probably $500 worth of shoes if you count out the retail. And it's the senior year, so you know what I'm saying, I wanted to do something for him. But yeah, this is just too cheap, yo. Way too cheap. I've been looking for Crocs for my kiddo. I don't think he'll like this one. This is kind of cheesy. We could take it off. The back. I don't know if he'll like the back right there. $30, you get another 20% off or 25% off. These are the more expensive Crocs. The bit more expensive. I don't remember the name or whatever it's called, but I know this is a little bit more. I don't think they have a size anyways, but I kind of am curious about the price. Not listed. Prices aren't listed. Yeah, none of these have the price listed. But yeah, 25% off. They got other stuff right here. Some Court Vision lows down to $50. Air Max Genomes down to $50. Court Vision Altas. What the hell? Women's Lahar lows. These are down to $50. Air Max Systems. Some generic Air Max right here. These are going for $50 as well. Back to the sneaker section, especially where they have most of the Nikes. Got more Prestos right here, down to 80. Remember, you did get 25 off of everything. Got some Blazer Jumbo lows. Waffle ones right here, down to 60. $70 for the all red Air Max 270s. Probably one of the cheapest prices we've seen for these Griffies. This is like hella colorful. I don't know about that. Not for me, but $75 for that. And these are probably the cheapest we've seen. These $75 for that. Did I say 70 for that, by the way? Apparently I suck at math. $75 for that, not bad. $75 for the, do we call these silver bullets? But it's red, I don't know. And then they even have apparel. They decent prices though. $95, do get another 25% off. The question is, are they gonna lower this stuff the longer it waits, or the closer it gets to actual closing day? Are they gonna lower all these prices? That's another question. Might be worth stopping by 2-3 times if you live in the area, because all this apparel stuff, this is fire. This is fire, but it is regular $38, and then you get another 20% off. 25% off of that. Maison article clothing that's already on sale. It's already down to 20. You get another 25% off. So these are going for what, $15. The quality on these look really, really legit. Materials just super, super nice, super soft. That's not bad at all. More Mitchell & Ness stuff right here. They got Raiders jacket right here. That's down to $70. $70, and then you get another freaking 25% off. I'm not feeling the color. If this was black, I would grab one of these for somebody, even though I'm done shopping for other people. That's just too good of a deal. But I'm just not a fan of that gold. I don't know if my people would be a fan of that gold. And then they even have cheesy stuff like this. If you need some cheesy stuff, bada bing. This is Sopranos, which is kind of cool, but that's just kind of cheap to have a... Is that a hot chick? Yeah, that's a hot chick laying down, right? Yeah, that's just kind of cheesy. I'm sorry, you guys. $33 for these. Lakers gear right here. $42. Even the spray ground backpacks, which you rarely ever see on sale. These bad boys, 25% off. These are normally like $100 or something like that. Then they do have the Doyer hats, $47. Not any additional discounts quite yet. Did miss out on these suedes right here, Puma suedes, down to $40 freaking dollars. That is hella solid right there. And they still got these. These are down to $80. Oh my god. Oh no, that's a Blazer. Never mind. So I don't know what the price of this is because that's wrong. But 80. What was it? $75? Even if it's retail, it'd be $100, $75, something like that. Can't believe they still have these. This is the Shoe Palace collab or Shoe Palace exclusive forums. Can't believe they still have these. I doubled up on these. I like them so much. Of course, how often do I even wear them? I need to stop doubling up on stuff. That's something I realized. Number 195 out of 1,200. That is fire. These are so freaking dope. Material so nice. This is pretty much the Forum 84 material. Just super, super nice material. New buck, also got tumbled leather on the side, just fire material. Superstars down to $50, and then you get another, 25 off. All black forms down to $60, so a lot of stuff on sale, even if they don't have sales tags on them. Any of your members want anything? Any of your members?
Nothing really today.
No, nothing today. Okay.
Pretty good stuff here though, for sure.
Bosco does have a membership. Make sure you guys check out his channel and check out his subscription program. It's a subscription membership?
Yeah,
I don't know.
subscribe or join a Discord, and you can join that way too.
Oh yeah, check out his Discord as well, because a lot of you guys been asking me for pickups. I don't do pickups.
Right.
But Bossco does, so make sure you guys check out his Discord as well as his membership program on his channel. And then they do even have a Jordan jersey. This is kind of a generic Jordan jersey, but do have one of these, $65. And then remember, you do get the 25% off. They have some shorts right there. Pretty decent deals. Some of the deals are amazing. Some of the deals are kind of, you get 25% off retail, which is kind of dope. But that's pretty much about it. You do get 25% off, and it's open for a couple weeks. I'm gonna push this up. It's only, I think he said 2 more weeks. I'm gonna push this video up. Make sure you guys get the latest information. Definitely appreciate you guys watching. Definitely appreciate you guys making it to the end. All right, Bossco busy on the phone. Let's talk about this spot though. So I did hear about this. I think I heard about it on Monday or Tuesday. Someone did let me know about it. Definitely appreciate you giving me that info. I probably should have come here right after. They probably had a couple extra Jordans that were on discount. That would have been pretty fire. The question is, are more things going to go on sale? Are they going to go on sale even lower? Who really knows exactly how that's going to work? With stuff like this, you really have to hit them up super quick. That's the only crazy thing about it is you have to act quick. You have to get there. Because when people find out, there's certain deals, there's certain things that are worth reselling, so that people are gonna act kind of quick. Bossco, what you think about that spot? What you think?
I mean, I think it's dope the fact that they had a clearance store. A lot of good things to scoop up, but it's nothing that really spoke to me. But if you guys are looking for some things to scoop up for either back to school, it's definitely a good spot to check out. I think they're open till Monday or something like that.
I think he said a week and a half, 2 weeks. What did he say? Yeah. Like he said a week and a half or 2 weeks. So y'all need to hurry the hell up. That's all that is. I was definitely
surprised to see the filled purple with Jordan 12.
Yeah.
A very new retro there for 25% off, and it's not the outlet, so you get the full box and everything.
I was just wondering, and I think we talked about it in person. Like what did we miss out on? Like if we came here a few days ago, what Jordans did they have? Like did they have the Chambrays, the Chambray 7 stuff? That's a good point.
What did we miss? They could have had a lot of good stuff, man. We seen earlier the Ross, they had a lot of good stuff. We just missed that too. I think you might have showed that in one of your videos. Yeah. So you got to get there early and often. As soon as you hear these deals, you got to jump on them to get the best opportunity. You know what I mean?
And that's something that we've been talking about on both of our channels. If you see something, you need to jump on it. You need to get it, and it is what it is.
It don't last fast. It don't stay long. You know what I mean?
But that's pretty much about it. Definitely dope seeing that place. There aren't too many other channels that are showing you this type of stuff. I haven't seen anybody on YouTube talk about this. Bossco and I, we definitely cover everything. Make sure you guys check out Bossco's channel, Bossco Mitchell. There's going to be a link in the description if you guys don't know about it. If you guys don't, what the hell's wrong with you guys? Go check. And make sure you guys check out my videos. Make sure you guys click on one of these videos. Hope you guys follow the Union Instagram. They're giving out raffle tickets. Let's grab some tickets. Let's go. I did get mine, you guys. Did get mine. Yeah, hopefully you guys follow these folks, man. Okay.